Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to start about the components of computer system. Okay, the first within that we have to learn first the basic component of computer. Just normal components are the basic components are input device, second one is CPU, and third one is output device. Third one is output devices. So in input devices there are many input devices are there. Within that keyboard, mouse, microphone, joystick, okay, scanner. These all are the input devices, and output devices are first monitor, printer, speaker, these are the output devices, okay. Plotter, but in CPU what are going, I explained in the next. So in CPU also there are different components are there in the CPU. The three components, there are three components. One is your ALU, one is ALU, second one is CU, and third one is MU. ALU, it is arithmetic and logic unit. All the arithmetic mathematical calculation and logical calculation are done here. It control the ALU and MU, and in CU, so MU it is the memory unit, and it stores data and instructions given to the computer. Okay, so how it is processed? So here look how the CPU is working. Here the input device is there where we can input the data or instruction to the computer. Once the instruction are inputted, it is stored in memory unit. It is stored in memory unit. Here the memory unit is there, and after storing, it is instructed by the control unit what to do. It retrieve the data from the memory unit and give it to ALU. Here all the process of arithmetic and logical unit it is, and the process of calculations are processed here and send the result to the CU. After sending the result to CU, the result is being transferred to output device. All these processes are going like this. Okay. Control unit just control all the parts of the computer. Control units, all the component of the computer. Okay, this is the CPU. One more thing is there, that is computer is divided. Computers have the system components, and the components are categorized into two types. There is computers have, one is hardware and another one is software. So what is hardware? The physical component that we can touch is or are called hardware. Okay, it is the physical component that we can touch. Okay, and software, these are the collection of programs, the part of computer that we cannot touch, that we cannot touch. These are the collection of programs, okay. Different types of tasks have different types of programs or applications. Here different softwares are there also. It is also categorized into two types. One is application software and another one is system software. Okay, two types of system softwares are there. One is application software and another one is system software. So now first, system software. What is system software? System software is the software which it is also known as operating system, also known as operating system, which it controls and the functions of all the hardware of computer. It controls the function. If you don't have the system software, then your computer is and your any other components, just like your keyboard, mouse and CPU and any other devices that you are attached to the computer is not workable. If the system software is not there, then the all things are just a toy, just like a toys. Okay, so we have to install first the system software which operates and controls all the hardware of the computer. Okay, so there are different types of softwares are there, system softwares are there, but what we use are in our computer, first one is DOS and Windows. In Windows there are many variants are there. The 98, Windows Million, Windows 7, Windows 10, Linux, Unix. These all are, and one more is that Mac OS. These all are the system software. Okay, so these are the system softwares, and the one more thing is there, it is application software. So in application software, what is application software? So these are the computer programs which have specific task. These are the computer programs. It is called a software also. Okay, so it is a software which have specific task. All different tasks have different softwares. We need to install different types of softwares to do a specific task. For example, you have to type a letter and make a documents. You need a program called Microsoft Word and their word processor, that is called word processor. Okay, so just like that, one more any other processing or applications are there also. To play music and videos, we need an application, Windows Media Player. Okay, so when you are playing games also, that games is one of a application software. It is also an application software. You are doing photo editing, for you using a Photoshop software to edit a photo. Okay, and for you are make a record of data, you need a spreadsheet. It is spreadsheet software. So there are different types of tasks, and for each task there is an software or there is a program. Okay, so this is a application software. Go through this and learn about all the different components and of the computer system. Okay, thank you, goodbye.